researchers you will find today will probably present some of these topics.
Welcome to the Robotics lab.
In this project we developed the camera system that is fixed above the conveyor belt.
We are sending this light.
Well, I think personally this is a really good event because like me coming from Asia, I saw the difference between like technologies from Asia and also from here in Europe. So I think the technologies here are really quite well developed, and the specialty like and where do they apply it, it's really quite interesting.
Try to search more, get more information from this project.
So here are the...
Nou, ik ben wel van de praktische toepassing, dus ik vind die grijpers het leukst. Dan zie je direct wat er gebeurt en wat ze ontwikkeld hebben. Ik snap ook dat technieken met allerlei licht en kleuren en sensoren belangrijk zijn. Maar ja, dus ik ben weer praktisch en dat wat ik zie vind ik dan leuk.
Nou, een super interessante dag. Ook heel boeiend om te zien hoeveel verschillende aspecten er zijn die dan in iedere demo terugkwamen. Het gaat echt van fishery tot agrobots tot aan greenhouses. En ook vooral heel boeiend om te zien hoeveel mensen erover kunnen vertellen en hoe gespecialiseerd en diepgaand het eigenlijk is.
Specific wavelengths which are discriminating for certain problems, and yeah.
Augmented reality, virtual reality.
So I think learning from this event is really something that someone can look forward to, and I believe that if there are more people that can join here, I believe they can learn a lot, because like agriculture is really something that we have to work on for the future, and I think the technology they're presenting are really quite promising.